Mastering the Magic of Conjunctive Adverbs. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our Grammar Fundamentals series. Today, we're going to delve into the world of conjunctive adverbs, an advanced and nuanced topic in English grammar. If you've been wondering how to make your writing more dynamic and connected, then conjunctive adverbs are a tool you're going to love. Let's begin by understanding what exactly conjunctive adverbs are. Conjunctive adverbs are words that join two clauses together, making your sentences more fluent and interconnected. They not only connect, but also provide a smooth transition between ideas. Words like, however, therefore, consequently, meanwhile, and additionally, are examples of conjunctive adverbs. So how do we use these in our writing? When using a conjunctive adverb, it's typically placed after a semicolon that separates two independent clauses and followed by a comma. For example, I didn't have time to study. However, I passed the test. It's important to remember that each conjunctive adverb has a specific meaning and should be used in the appropriate context to convey the right transition or connection between ideas. Conjunctive adverbs can be used to indicate many types of relations between the clauses they connect. For instance, contrast, however, instead, otherwise, cause and effect, therefore, thus, consequently, sequence, next, then, finally, comparison, likewise, similarly, emphasis, indeed, certainly, obviously. Using these appropriately can drastically improve your writing, making it sound more fluent and professional. It's common to see conjunctive adverbs being confused with coordinating conjunctions like but or so. Remember, unlike conjunctions, conjunctive adverbs can move around in your sentence and usually come with a semicolon and a comma. Also, don't overuse them. They are most effective when used sparingly to emphasize certain points or transitions in your writing. Well, that's a wrap on our session about conjunctive adverbs. It's been a pleasure guiding you through these crucial linguistic tools that can make your writing more dynamic, connected, and professional. Keep practicing, and soon, they'll become a natural part of your language repertoire. As always, we hope this video has been helpful and illuminating. Until next time, happy learning, everyone.